Hey there everyone, hope you all are pretty much fine and safe at your homes and having a good time with your families after so long. Oh my, there I'm going wrong because I know many of you are quite busy thinking what to do next while everybody is in quarantine. So here I want to share some tips with you guys to make your quarantine time a little bit entertaining and less stressful. But for that, you are requested to watch my complete video, and I just humbly request is this that please subscribe my channel and like my videos. It will definitely appreciate me. I need you guys. Okay, so tip number one is this is not something funny, but a must do that have the power of changing our drastic situation. Pray. Yes, pray, guys. Bend the knee and pray hard. Ask for forgiveness, perform your pending prayers, and repent to Allah. Recite the Holy Book, which has all the solutions of this world and hereafter. Okay, that was some religious tips we can perform during this lockdown. Okay, next is play indoor games. Yes, there are a lot of choice indoor games and tricks that will make you feel better. Pakistanis love to play Ludo. Play it on a Ludo board or online with your friends. Another indoor games are like chess and carom, badminton, and paper games. Yes, I personally love play paper games, but I think that this is only for the children, or it was just us, by the way. And here is Uno. Oh yes, Uno, don't you dare forgetting this game. Okay, now here comes the very big opportunity to you girls. Shout out to you, all the girls who just don't had time to spend with their moms in the kitchen. So this is the time basically you can do all that things and spend your time, your precious time with your moms in the kitchen especially, and learn new dishes, new desserts, and yum, I'm just definitely gonna try some baking. You can try too. I have a question seriously. How will you learn to cook? Will it through trial and error, cooking classes, reading the back of the box, a series of misadventures, or if you were very lucky, you had a great teacher to walk you through the basics, that how to roast a chicken, how to dress a salad, the essential of grocery shopping in a budget. These are the lessons I think we all wish our parents taught us before we left home, girls. So if you had a mom or dad who taught you all of that as a teenager, you're among the luckiest. Trust me. Well, my mom has always been kind of my backbone. She keeps me strong. She's a mother, a friend, and she's really everything to me. Thanks, Mom. Here is another tip that you can do. Set your cupboard. Manage your closet. You forgot to check properly. Go through them suitcases you put behind those closed doors. Seriously. Now next is pets. Oh my god. One can never be bored if they have a pet. These sweetest creatures. Play with them, but don't forget to take safety mirrors for them too. Your pets need safety from you, so wash your hands properly before and after you touch them. I have a cat too, and I'm having a really loving quarantine time with my lovely Manu. As time spent with cats is never wasted. Someone genius has said that, and that's really me. I hope you guys will have some tips of your own, so don't forget to share it with me in the comment section. Take care of yourself and loved ones. XOXO. Allah Hafiz.